This video is a continuation of the videos some important chemical compounds. In this video you will learn about washing soda. So common name of washing soda is also washing soda. The chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Chemical formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. Its nature, that it is basic in nature. Appearance, it is white crystalline solid. Now how do we prepare washing soda? Preparation of washing soda, that is, it is prepared by Solvay ammonia process. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through ammoniated brine solution, insoluble sodium bicarbonate is produced. So the chemical reaction is NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. Sodium carbonate is obtained by heating baking soda. So in the above step, baking soda is produced. On heating this baking soda, that is 2NaHCO3, we get Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. And finally, the washing soda is produced by recrystallization of sodium carbonate. That is Na2CO3 obtained in the above step. It is crystallized. So the chemical reaction now becomes Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives Na2CO3.10H2O. So that's why it is called sodium carbonate decahydrate. So for the preparation of washing soda, three steps or three chemical equations are to be written. That is the first one, NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. Then 2NHCO3 heat gives Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2, and finally Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives Na2CO3.10H2O. Uses of washing soda. It is used in glass, soap and paper industry. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. It is used as a laboratory reagent. It is used as a cleansing agent for domestic purpose, in laundries and in softening of water as washing soda. In the manufacture of glass, sodium silicate, paper, borax, soap powder, caustic soda. Also in textile and petroleum refining, and for the preparation of various carbonates of metals. Some are in glass, paper and soap industries, in the manufacture of borax as a cleansing agent, and for removing permanent hardness of water. So we can put the uses in this way also. See the structure of Na2CO3. You can see on in the middle carbonate is there, that is C double bond O, CO minus and CO minus is the structure of carbonate ion, and its two sides Na plus, two Na plus ions are there. So this is how it looks. Now a mixture of 2 tablespoons of baking soda and borax each can give you a dishwashing detergent. Now what is the role of tartaric acid in baking soda? Tartaric acid is a weak and mild acid. It is mixed with baking soda to prepare baking powder. When baking powder is used in batters, the tartaric acid reacts with baking soda and neutralizes the bitter taste without affecting its ability to produce CO2 and H2O. If tartaric acid is not added in baking powder, the cake will taste bitter due to presence of sodium carbonate. See the difference between baking powder and baking soda. You can see the picture. How does it look? Nicely portrayed here. Now if we compare baking soda with washing soda, formula is NaHCO3 and this formula is washing soda is Na2CO3. pH of sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, is 8.4, whereas that of sodium carbonate it is 11.6, that is it is more basic. Now edible, commonly used, it is edible and commonly used as flavoring agent in cooking, and it is safe for skin. And this one, that is washing soda, is not edible, commonly used in detergents and for laundry. It should not be used on skin. Solubility: baking soda is more soluble in water and washing soda is less soluble. And this baking soda is naturally occurring mineral which is obtained through mining. This is naturally occurring from ashes of plants. Now texture is very fine for baking soda, and for washing soda the texture is more grainy. Next we will learn about hydrated salts. What are hydrated salts? Salts having water molecules, that is water of crystallization, in their formula unit is called hydrated salts. The water molecules which form part of the structure of a crystal are called water of crystallization. The water of crystallization gives the crystal of the salts their shape and color. So 10 molecules of water are there in washing soda that gives it white color. Similarly, if you talk about CuSO4.5H2O, that is copper sulfate pentahydrate, it is blue in color, and those water molecules give it the blue color. See these colored or hydrated crystals from left to right. First is cobalt nitrate, then calcium nitrate, then nickel sulfate at the top, and then manganese sulfate, copper sulfate, and chromium potassium sulfate. So they have water of crystallization with them, and so they are colored. How are hydrated salts formed? When salts crystallize from an aqueous solution, the ions may retain some of the hydrated water molecules and form solid hydrates such as Na2CO3.10H2O and CuSO4.5H2O. Both the size of the ion and its charge control the extent of hydration. As a result, some small cations are more extensively hydrated than large cations. What are hydrates used for in life? Gypsum, that is CaSO4.2H2O, is commonly used in manufacture of wallboard, cement and plaster of Paris. Borax is used in many cosmetic cleaning and laundry products. Epsom salt, that is magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, is a natural remedy and exfoliant. Hydrates are often used in skincare products to infuse moisture into the body. So these are some of the important salts that have water of crystallization, like washing soda. Formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. You can see it has 10 water of crystallization. Baking soda, it is not crystallized. It does not have water of crystallization. Gypsum, CaSO4.2H2O, it has 2 water of crystallization. Plaster of Paris, that is CaSO4.5H2O, so half molecules of water are there. Hydrated copper sulfate, that is known as blue vitriol, it is CuSO4.5H2O, it has 5 water molecules. Ferrous sulfate, which is known as green vitriol, it is FeSO4.7H2O, it has 7 water molecules. Epsom salt, MgSO4.7H2O, that means it has 7 water molecules. Zinc sulfate, which is white vitriol, ZnSO4.2H2O, 2 water molecules. Glauber's salt or sodium sulfate decahydrate, Na2SO4.10H2O, so it also has 10 water molecules. And borax, which I have been speaking so long, sodium tetraborate decahydrate, that is Na2B4O7.10H2O, so this also has 10 water molecules. Now what is the action of heat on hydrated salt? Now if we take the example of copper sulfate pentahydrate, CuSO4.5H2O, this is blue in color. On heating it becomes white due to the loss of water molecules. So the picture we get when we think of copper sulfate is royal blue crystals. In fact, this is just one form. This is the hydrated form that contains water. The anhydrous form, that is no water, is just a white powder. So you can see the color. Effect of water of crystallization of color of salt. So this is anhydrous cobalt chloride, that is a different color, but hydrated cobalt chloride, it's pink in color.